Hey there, Bob Deeks from RDC Fine Homes. I am up here in a very damp and rainy Whistler, British Columbia. Early November here, just waiting day by day for the snow to start falling. Keeping my fingers crossed that the snow falls a couple hundred meters above my head. The last thing we need right now is a meter of snow in the valley. This is calm before the storm. We are an hour or so away from having the roof trusses delivered. You can see the steel in the background is ready to accept all those roof trusses. So pretty exciting 3 days here as the trusses get delivered this morning. And we start flying them up into place tomorrow morning. So I will be back on site first thing tomorrow to get a few shots of the crane lifting those in. And we are really keeping our fingers crossed that we will beat the weather here, get those trusses in place and get our roof membrane on before the snow really starts coming. You can also see the guys on that deck there. They are installing the quad deck, which is an insulated suspended slab system that will create the roof over the garage and suite area. Eventually that will get landscaped to really sort of obscure the bottom two levels from the top two levels. So looking forward to the development of that, and we are probably 2 or 3 weeks away from pouring that slab and getting that lid closed in. So stay tuned for tomorrow. And if you want to follow along with the progress on this and other projects, then please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Cheers. Down on the quad deck system that makes the roof of the suite over top of the garage. Boys are making good progress on that. That's an expanded polystyrene structural slab system. You can see the steel grade beams in between the styrofoam there that creates the structural rigidity to support the weight of the landscaping that'll go on top. And then of course you can see all the trusses laid out down there on the roadway as they prep them, getting ready to fly them in. Yeah, I know they're gonna have to wait. Hey, Bob Deeks here. We're up at our BC Energy Step Code house in Bear Creek. And we are just flying the trusses in. You can see truss coming in right now. This is truss number 3, getting down on top of all our structural steel that went in last week from the update that you saw or you might have seen then. So as we look around here, you can see trusses just in place, and we've got about 2 days here, and we should see trusses in place and sheeting going down just in time to beat the snow that's forecasted about 10 days from now. So stay tuned. We'll come back and we'll have a look at what the house looks like with a roof in place.